Obliged.
My lords, before they start, I think we have a very serious objection to this.
Your Lordship, I'm the
My lords, there is
petitioner.
a complete non-disclosure and
Your
separation.
Lordship, we are not inclined to press this petition.
Oh,
We are not.
but there's a complete false.
Complete falsehood.
Senior counsel is saying you will hear them. We will hear them. What is it?
Now, my lords, in this petition, it is mentioned in the filing index that there is no other similar pending matter or nothing has or disposed of matter. The same advocate on record has filed an application for modification with similar prayer as is made in the first prayer. I have a copy of that application, and yet at time of filing the SLP, it is said no such thing is filed. Apart from the fact,
Petition, right?
my lords, this is 32. The matter is already decided by this
There are
court. by
three
the
orders.
Precisely
The
that.
orders of this.
Don't interrupt. We will ask you to answer that question.
Sure.
Don't do that.
My lords,
When somebody-
I am saying that
No, what exactly? Just explain.
now, my lords, this is a matter whether the B.Ed people are qualified to be
Yes,
teaching.
that window
Yes.
period. they
Now
want to-
that judgment has been, that matter has been authoritatively decided by this honorable court by its Divesh. But after that particular judgment, a large number of applications came to be filed by B.Ed candidates,
Yeah.
including a writ petition,
Hmm.
including one filed by the same AOR with a very similar prayer. Same prayer. Now, those have all been dismissed by this court.
Hmm.
And yet, my lords, the present writ is filed by an association created only a few days back without even a disclosure. I don't have a problem that you file anything, but there is a serious problem when you do not disclose the correct
And you
fact.
say no, nothing is pending on this.
Right.
I'll just clarify. Alright,
And my lords, on
a
this,
judgment is given by this honorable court.
Have you disclosed or not?
Yes, my lord.
Have you disclosed
Yes,
or not?
I'm coming to that.
Yes.
There is a judgment by this honorable court deciding the issue of DL.Ed versus B.Ed. That judgment is rendered on 11th August, that is annexed to this petition. While this petition was filed in the first week of January, in the between, the MA for clarification of the order was listed before the bench which passed the original order, and that bench dismissed its clarification. So therefore, the
When did you
petition.
file? When did you file?
Yes.
You filed in January 2024.
Yes,
Correct.
and that
And
order.
1 minute.
Yes.
Answer our questions.
Yes.
6 January. When were those dismissed?
11th January, they got
When were
dismissed.
they dismissed?
October to December.
11th January.
October to December.
October to December 2023.
Yes, yes.
You should have. You should have.
So that
Why
is
did you
why.
disclose it?
But as soon as 11th January, it got dismissed.
23.
Alright, we told the
Those
client
were dismissed and writ petition filed in January 24.
it was filed prior to the dismissal. As soon as the clarification was
What was
dismissed,
filed by writ?
alright, this writ was filed.
It
This
was
writ.
filed on 6th January 24.
Correct. On 11th January, the MA for clarification of the 11th August 2023 judgment was rejected. So therefore, because the prayer is similar, we are not pressing this.
They are asking you something more.
Yeah.
That's an intelligent way of answering.
Yes.
You are saying that those matters which got dismissed on 11th January
Yeah.
were filed on October and December 2023.
Correct,
Why
correct.
did you disclose that in your writ?
Correct.
my lords, one
Or
more
what-
aspect.
I'll clarify. So
Why
basically,
did you disclose that in the?
let me just
Who is
check
the advocate on?
whether that is. But that was for West Bengal.
In a question like this, you will not argue the matter.
I'm not.
Advocacy there. You will have to be truthful to the court.
Yes.
Why
So
have you not
if it is not disclosed, it should have been disclosed. But the West Bengal, that was one applicant by West Bengal, and those West Bengal facts are there. He filed an application for clarification. That clarification was finally listed before the special bench.
You are still not answering. October.
It should have been disclosed.
So
If it is not disclosed, it should have been disclosed.
not disclosed.
That is why-
That's a lapse.
That's a lapse. Otherwise, we would have if we were pressing the petition, we would have first thing would have been done. We would have handed over the order.
No, that's a lapse. Somebody must take responsibility of the lapse. Who takes responsibility of that?
But
We can't.
but we apologize. That application.
Who will take responsibility of that?
I'll take responsibility. It's my lapse. Your Lordship.
That was.
Verified or your client has not disclosed.
But if there was an order, there was no order.
Responsibility is of yours. And these kind of back matters, it's not as if people will not be aware of it.
Yes,
You
yes.
know that. I mean, everybody knows.
So, Malad, what happened in that application is, I'll just indicate
Don't
it
want to spend more time.
because that application was lodged by the registrar as not maintainable.
We are discussing with cost.
Please, Mike.
We will discuss.
We'll withdraw. We don't want to press
Press it to be withdrawn, but however, in view of the fact that prior dismissals have not been indicated in the writ petition, we impose, we permit in view of the fact that earlier orders,
But there's only one order.
earlier order. Orders.
Three orders.
There's no earlier order. Well, the earlier filing.
Whatever.
We are
In
fighting.
view of the fact that tendency of some connected matters are not disclosed in the writ petition,
Yes.
we permit the writ petition to be withdrawn, however, we will dismiss it. However, with costs quantified at 25,000 rupees. Just as a token.
Apologize, Your Lordship, because the
Apology,
But
what
as-
happens is that apology goes internalized. You just apologize and walk out.
but we
There
have
must be consequence.
obviously we cannot, because
We are not saying anything about that.
actually we thought that it will also go before the same bench because we have annexed the judgment. That judgment and the list of date gives all the details. So there is no way we can hide it.
Integrity of the
But
proceedings must be maintained.
But that is why we are withdrawing.
That's why we are.
That is why we thought we will not.
We understand why you are withdrawing. Told you. Thank you.
Well,
Like
was
the prayer was
document
similar.
sent to the clerks association or something of the
Straight to the advocates,
Clerks.
on the court clerks association.
association.
Grateful.
Grateful.
इसमें mention नहीं है.
16.1 minute.